Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to the channel for the latest market updates and also multi-bagger tips. Please don't forget to press the bell icon so you'll receive all the notification what I am posting on my community tab. Usually the small updates I will provide in my community tab. Today we are going to discuss about Alankit Limited. Actually I recommended the stock at 16.20 on May and we will discuss further what we have to do with Alankit Limited, and actually I given the exit call at 23 level when its director was arrested by Enforcement Directorate. On that day I told that please take the exit from Alankit Limited. The stock will fall. After that we will get the opportunity to buy again. Alankit Limited is good but the sentiments will make the stock down. That was happen and we will discuss everything and what we have to do and what strategy we have to follow in Alankit Limited, and we will discuss about the Q2 result also. The Q2 result also was came out, so that also we will discuss now. If you see, already I have updated two short time stock today and yesterday and also one multi-bagger stock. All the multi-bagger stock recommendations are doing well and also our short time recommendations are also doing well. You can see all these updates here, and thank you very much for supporting Trending Stock. Currently we are at our first milestone. 5k subscribers already we reached and still we are moving ahead. If you see the Shivalink Bimetal Controls Limited, actually 2 months back I updated as a new multi-bagger at the price of around 173.20. I recommended the stock on August 14, you can see here, and September first week we taken out our asset and still we are holding almost 40%, which was our profit at that time, and we are holding that share on long time perspective. Currently the Shivalink Bimetal Control is trading at 366.70. All our recommendation on the last trading session, it was on upper circuit, it was locked on upper circuit. So all our recommendations are based on fundamental. Never we will follow the gamblings. Even if you see the Brighting Home Group BCG, I recommended the price of 7.05, and you can see here today actually it is trading around 80 or 85 rupees per share. Actually I given the exit call at around 20 rupees per share. Actually if you see the worthiness, actually see the stock was diluted heavily. At the current market capitalization is 9,369.49 crore, and if you see the quarterly result is only 89.90 crore. Just imagine how expensive the share is, around 25 times of its net worth currently it is trading. So please don't be trapped in BCG Limited, and let us go into the details of for Alankit Limited. If you just make a comparison between BCG and also the Alankit Limited now, when I was recommending BCG at 7.05, the stock was worthy enough. After that the bonus was happened and also the fund infusion was happened. So after that a heavy dilution, that means almost 5 times the stock got diluted, and fundamentally nothing happened other than the blunders. So the promoters, they are making lot of blunders. If you see the company's result, the quarterly results, you can understand that in physically nothing happened to the company, just only the blunders on the paper. So please don't fall behind such kind of blunders and please don't be in trap. As long as the company is trading around market capitalization of 9,369 crore and the current company's potential is less than 500 crore. Just imagine how expensive the share is, how the gambling is ongoing. So please don't fall behind that. Always follow the fundamental. And let us go into the details of the Alankit Limited and I will explain you. So what we have to do in that, and our new short time stock number 31 and also the 30 already I have updated. You can see that, and also you can refer to the membership options. All the short time recommendations are available to members Ruby onwards, and the Emerald onwards you will receive all the multi-bagger recommendations, and also all the elite members onwards they will receive the wealth creator stocks recommendations. Actually there are 50 wealth creator recommendations I am providing. Out of that almost 27 numbers already I have updated. These are such kind of stock will not be get affected even during the market crash, and always the stock will go upwards. So these are something like a premium stocks. You can keep like an SIP. You can create a watch list of all these 50 stocks and you can keep on adding like an SIP. So try to include some of these stocks in your portfolio, and surely this will protect your portfolio from even from a market crash. So now we are going to discuss about Alankit Limited. If you see currently it is trading at 17.05 and already the result was came. The last quarter result you can see here 25.04 and net profit was around 2.55 crore and earning per share was 0.18, and the market capitalization you can see here 243.74 crore. And if you see in the playlist, you can find all the videos what I was given the recommendations. Actually, I given the recommendation of Alankit Limited on May 23. You can see here at the price of 16.20. After that, I was updated the stock at 19.35, and I told that the stock will move ahead. And after that, again I updated the stock around 23 rupees per share and 24 rupees per share. I updated the stock, and at the price of 24 rupees per share, I told to take exit from Alankit Limited because there was negative news on the company when it was trading around 24 rupees per share. The enforcement directorate arrested the company's director and the stock fall up to around, you can see here, 13.80. Up to as per our prediction, it gone up to 13.80. Then I told everyone, please take the exit from around 23 level and to hold it, because we were on profit at that time, because I recommended the stock at 16.20 and almost all my members average was below 18 rupees per share, and we booked a decent profit in the stock. And I told everyone that I will recommend the stock again once the things are settled. If you can watch that video, you can understand that in the playlist the exit video is available here that you can find. On this video very clearly I told that we will get time to re-enter, and please don't make hurry. Everything I was explained in details on 24.50. Already I told that I updated the video, the exit video that was published on June 16. You can see here. So after that the stock was fall, and currently it is trading around 17.05 after a consolidation. Almost 3 to 4 months consolidation was happened here. So at the price of around 17, 15, 16 rupees per share. So this is the right time to enter. Our short time target will be somewhere around 22 to 23 rupees per share we can expect, and we can hold Alankit Limited. Alankit Limited is a potential stock. You can watch my previous videos in the playlist. Already I given the fundamental analysis and everything. The stock is good, always good. On that day during the exit call also I told that the stock is good. Only the sentiment made me to give the exit call, and that exit call also the perfect time, and I saved everyone. That means almost 3 to 4 months your money may get stuck, and due to that exit call almost I make sure that all my subscribers are taken exit at the time, and everyone they were taken the exit in the proper time with a proper profit. And currently we can re-enter to the Alankit Limited. You can see in the last trading session, almost 1.93 lakh shares are traded. Out of that, 39,000 shares are taken delivery in BSE. If you see the NSE, almost 6.77 lakh shares are traded. Out of that, 1.61 lakh shares are taken delivery in NSE, and it was traded almost flat on the last trading session. And the coming days also we can expect almost a similar trend, but after that there will be a rally, because the recent if you see the Q2 result is perfectly fine. You can see here in the Q1 result, you can see here almost 25 crore result was posted, but in Q3 you can see here 29.39 crore revenue was posted. And if you see the profitability of the company, you can see here that almost 3.14 crore is posted, when in the Q1 session, in the Q1 result you can see here it was only 2.54 crore. In the Q1 it was only 2.54 crore profit, and all over if you take the Q2 result is perfect, and this is the right time we can enter to Alankit Limited at the price of around 17.05. It's available, so you can keep accumulating the stock at the current price, and the stock will not fall hereafter. So the stock will move ahead from here. So you have to keep accumulate Alankit Limited from the current price. So what Alankit Limited is doing? So Alankit Limited is doing, so while we are going to the Alankit Limited fundamental, you can see here in the last time also in my previous videos also I was explained about Alankit Limited, and it is an IT company providing government services with our headquarters at New Delhi, India. Our story begins in the year of 1995 when our flagship company Alankit Limited, a registrar and share transfer agent RTA, was established. Their own, over the last 25 years we have grown, become the global federation of 13 companies with diversified portfolio in health and wealth services as premier integrated service provider. We are known for our innovative solutions in finance, e-governance, insurance and healthcare verticals. Company is having around 21 million strong customer base, 2000 plus professionals, 19 regional offices, 8,000 plus business locations. The company is available in 673 plus cities, and also company is having 4 overseas offices: Dubai, Sharjah, London and Singapore. Mr. Ankit Agarwal is the managing director of Alankit Limited, and if you see the group of companies, Alankit Limited, Alankit Assignment Limited, Alankit Imaginations Limited, Alankit Insurance TPA Limited, Alankit Insurance Brokers Limited, Alankit Technologies Limited, Alankit Forex Limited India Limited, Alankit FinSec India Limited, Alankit Global Resources DMCC, Alankit Assignment Limited DMCC branch, Alankit IFSC Limited, Alankit Assignment Services LLC. So these are the Alankit group of companies, and Alankit is providing all the services, the government e-services like PAN card, and also Alankit is there the insurance field, and also Alankit is providing finance, accounting, research, all these services, and it's a growing company. The current market capitalization of the company is 243 crore as I told before, and book value per share is 2.63. Currently the stock is trading around 17.05 I told you. And if you see the company's balance sheet, the Adora share capital remains same 14 crore since past 5 years, and the reserve and surplus you can see here, company is generating profit every year. You can see here 32 crore reserve was there in March 2017, it becomes 48 crore in 2018, March 2019 it becomes 59 crore, in March 2020 it becomes 73 crore, in March 2021 it becomes 80 crore. You can see the clear cut growth of reserve and surplus, you can see there. So you can see the clear cut growth of reserve and surplus there. And while we are coming to the annual statement, annual income of the company, you can see here every year the company is generating profit in between 13 to 20 crore. You can see here every year the company is generating profit, and directly they are transferring this to the company's reserve. And while we are coming to the company's shareholding pattern, you can see here the company currently it is holding around 63.77% holding. So the Alankit Limited is a well performer. So in the coming days also we can expect the stock will move ahead, because the Q2 result is perfect as we expected. The stock was fall only because of negative news, and that was not affected to the company in any manner. So we can accumulate Alankit Limited as I told in my exit video during the stock was started to fall. Please don't invest all the money in single stock. Always try to maintain your portfolio with maximum number of stock and divide your fund in multiple stock, so you will not get affected even if there is any fall in single stock, because usually in stock market there are lot of gamblers are there and lot of operators are there. Sometimes even if the stock is good, the stock will fall, but how long they can operate on that way. So after some time it will test our patience, but after some time it will start moving, but we have to hold until that. Usually the retailers will get frustrated because they will invest all their money in single stock. After that they will get frustrated. That should not be happen. There will be a cash flow if you are investing in different stocks. Maybe your gain will be bit lesser. Sometime you will think that if I invested all the money in single stock, you may get this much of growth. That is really wrong, because the risk is very high when we invest on single stock. Please don't do that. Try to accommodate multiple stock in your portfolio, and if you are investing in good stocks, the fundamentally strong stocks, you no need to track your stocks on daily basis. It will not be get affected, because always you have to maintain your portfolio with fundamental stocks. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video. Try to include Alankit Limited. This is the right time to enter in Alankit Limited. So you can start adding Alankit Limited step by step. Please don't take all the position in once. Try to accumulate the stock one by one. It will not fly in a one day. So it's a potential multi-bagger. It will take almost 2 to 3 years to reach our desired target. So please hold Alankit Limited on long-term perspective, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe, and please don't forget to press the bell icon, and please don't forget to refer to the membership options. There are Ruby, Emerald and Elite memberships are available. So all the Ruby members, they will receive the short time recommendations, and also all the Emerald members, they will receive all the multi-bagger recommendations, and the Elite members, they will receive the Wealth Creator stock list. All the Elite members, they will receive the Wealth Creator watch list. All the Elite members onwards, they will receive the access to the Wealth Creator watch list. So once again, thank you very much. Kindly stay tuned.